Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression if we have a square root of minus 4 multiplied by square root of minus 9. We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, but here calculator is not allowed in this problem. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here first we just discuss some common mistakes which students can do to solve this problem. Okay, so here some students can just write both of these two values, just combine the square root of both of these two values, and it will be written as minus 4 multiplied by minus 9, and this is equals to minus times minus becomes plus, and 4 times 9 becomes 36, and you know about that square root of 36 becomes here 6. But this method is wrong, or this is the incorrect method. Okay, because here you see that here we apply the nice algebraic nice radical rule. You know about that if we have square root of a multiplied by square root of b, then we write it as square root of a multiplied by b. We can apply this rule only once we have some conditions on a and b. We can apply this rule when our a must be greater or equal to 0, and our b is also must be greater than or equals to 0, or in other words, both of these two values have positive. But in our case, you see that both of these two values are negative. This means that we cannot apply here this rule. Okay, so when we apply this rule on this problem, so this will be gives us the wrong answer. So this is the common mistakes which is students can do. And now here we solve this problem for the correct method. So here first we copy down given question statement. Here it is a square root of minus 4 multiplied by square root of minus 9. So here first we apply this square root sign separately on minus 1 and 4, and same pattern on here. So we write this term as this is square root of 4 multiplied by, and we again apply square root on the negative term, and the negative term becomes here minus 1, and it is multiplied by, here again we have this is square root of minus 9. And now first we write minus 9 as minus 1 multiplied by 9. Okay, and now here further we separate the square root on both of these two values, and if you see here we have the square root of 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by, here we know about that a square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and you know about that iota be the imaginary unit. So we solve this problem with the help of iota. Okay, and this is multiplied by, here we again apply this square root separately on both of these two values, and it will become square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 9. And now further in the next step we have this is 2 multiplied by iota multiplied by, again you see that this is a square root of minus 1, and we know about that a square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So we again use this definition of imaginary number. So this minus 1 square root becomes iota, and we replace this equals to iota, and it is multiplied by, this is square root of 9, and we know about that a square root of 9 becomes here 3. So further in the next step we need to multiply these terms, and we have this is 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6 multiplied by, here we have iota multiplied by iota is equals to iota square. And here we can write that minus 1 square root is equals to iota. So in order to find the value of iota square, we need to apply squaring on both of the sides. So this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here minus 1 equals to iota square. This means that the value of iota square is equals to minus 1. So we substitute this value here, and it will be written as 6 multiplied by minus 1. So finally we have the value of our given algebraic expression is equals to minus 6. So this is the our final answer of this question. So here the conclusion of the solution set of this problem is that if we have a square root of minus 4 multiplied by square root of minus 9, if you can write its answer is plus 6, so this is the wrong answer or incorrect answer. And here the correct answer of this problem is minus 4 multiplied by minus 9 is equals to minus 6. So this is the our correct answer of the given equation or of the given algebraic expression. Okay, so this is the conclusion about the solution set of the given question. So this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.